Chapter number 4, Nutrition in Living Organism. In that, our next point, biological fixation of nitrogen. See, here one question is asked: how do plants obtain the nitrogen necessary for the synthesis of proteins? Means how plants uh, get nitrogen is necessary, but how they get nitrogen? And the answer of this question is here in this topic, biological fixation of nitrogen. Two different type of microorganisms can bring about biological nitrogen fixation. Means there are two different types of microorganisms can bring about biological nitrogen fixation. Roots modulates of lignous plants contains the ribosome microorganisms. Means ribosome is a name of microorganism. These microorganisms absorbs atmospheric nitrogen and convert into its nitrate a compound. Means this ribosome absorb nitrogen in atmosphere. Means in atmosphere nitrogen is present, that nitrogen absorb this ribosome and that ribosome convert this nitrogen into its nitrate and compound. Means the microorganism is converted atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate and its compounds, and they provide this nitrogen to plant. Microorganisms like azotobacts are present in soil. This is also one type of microorganism, azotobacters. This microorganism is present in soil. They also convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Means this azotobacter microorganism is also present, is also convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates, and this azotobacter is present in a soil. Now next, symbiotic nutritions. See, symbiotic nutritions means two or more plants are living together, means that is called as symbiotic nutrition. Now see, in some cases two or more than two different type of plants live together to fulfill their need of nutrition, protection, support, etc. with each other helps. Means two or more than two, means two or more than two, means 3 4 more than two plants live together. Means they are growing together, they are living together. Why they are living together? To fulfill their nutrients, protection, support, etc. with each other's helps. Means for protection, for support, to fulfill their needs, they are living together. This type of nutrition is called symbiotic nutrition. Means two or more than plants are living together, that is called as a symbiotic nutrition. Why they are living together? To fulfill their needs, for their protection, for their support, they are living together. Some fungi grow around the roots of some plants. These plants supply nutrients to the fungi, and in return fungi supply minerals and water to that plant. Now see, some fungi is growing around the roots. In some other plants, these plants supply nutrients to the fungi. Means plant is giving nutrients to fungi, and in return fungi is supplying minerals and water to the plants. Means they are fulfilling their needs. One is giving nutrients and other is giving minerals and water. Some fungi and algae live together. The fungi provides water, minerals as well as shelters to algae. What provides fungi? Water, minerals and shelters to algae. In return the algae provide food to the fungi. Means see, one is providing, fungi is providing water, mineral, shelters to algae, and in return algae is provided food to the fungi. Lichen is an example of symbiotic between algae and fungi. Lichen, see here, picture is given. Lichen is an example of symbiotic between algae and fungi. Lichen means algae and fungi, both plants are living together. This is an example of lichen.